Wait again.
Hi everyone. Welcome to the group reflection video 2 of LAX2014 group 42. Today we are going to have our reflections about the team 2 of our My Travelog booklet. So before we further our discussion, let us to introduce ourselves first. My name is Tan Kayao. My metric number is 184715.
My name is Lim Yi. My metric number is 184165.
My name is Liu Yonghui. My metric number is 183376.
My name is Seng Sing and my metric number is 182746.
My name is Nur Asmina Shahma binti Ahmad Shukri. My metric number is 182253.
My name is Chu Ting and my metric number is 182441.
Okay, today we are going to do some reflections about the 3 videos that we made for the team 2, which is fun and lively. The locations that we choose for the team is the 5th College and also the Chancellor College and the Palangkawan, and also the last one, Putra Food Court. Based on the 3 recordings that we did last time, any suggestions or any improvement that we got to make for these 3 trips? Anyone and any ideas? Maybe I can start giving some idea. Okay, I think that for me, I think that actually we already make some improvement if we compare for the team 1 video recording, because we try to choose the correct time and also correct moment to record our video at the 3 respectively location, to make sure that the climate the weather is okay, and also there are not too much people like what we did for the Putra Food Court one. So we choose not really too many, not at the peak hour to take the video lah. So I think we already get some improvement for the recording of the 3 locations lah. Besides that, I think we also getting better when introduce places to make sure that try to introduce what characteristics of the location to match our theme. So any ideas from anyone?
I do agree with you from the time perspective. Yes, I think we make a little. I think we make an improvement because you already did what you said, that you want to survey first, and we have that time, and I think it's perfect time. And first, before we are concerned about the weather, and I think it's nice. And the second thing is about the surrounding. But I think after I review the video again, and I think our sound clear. Okay, so I think it's more than enough. And the second thing is about the place. And I think for this 3rd place, actually we have more than this, but we are more focused for this space, and I think it's really suitable for our team. This is fun and light. So how about others?
Yes, I do agree with both of you, but for me, I think there is still weakness for our 4th group trip video, which is at Putra Food Court, because I think the noise from the buses is distracted our video recording, and plus there is, even though it's not peak hour, but still the Putra Food Court is quite crowded, so it disturbed our video recording. And secondly, I more prefer the video recording of here, which is the 5th College, because it's quiet and we successfully featuring all of the facility of the 5th College. So for me, I think there's still a little improvement in our video recording. How about others?
So for my opinion, I think that still have some weakness, because when we record the place like the Pusta court and also the badminton court, the time we recording is around 3 p.m. So nobody will play at there. Normally they will play game around 5 in evening 5 to 6 p.m. So maybe next time we can take some shoot when they are playing game. So another one is I agree to with Dene, which is the buses around the Putra food court is very annoying and distract our video recording.
Because of during for the Putra food court recording that day, because we choose Friday afternoon, this is the time for Malay prayers. So there is a time for them to back from the masjid. So maybe next time we can avoid from that time, maybe early in the morning or what. But maybe if we've got chance, yeah.
For me, I don't comment much about the time and then the weaknesses of the video recording, but I do like to comment about on the location and the places that we have chosen for our team. So among from these three teams, I think that the area nearby the Chancellor College is the most suitable location for our team, which is the fun and lively, because we do really observe that there's a lot of facility, for example, like the field, a big field, and then they have wall climbing there. So it's allowed students to have their sports in the evening. So besides that, so when we're talking about fun and lively, so I personally prefer the area nearby the college chancellor would be the better location compared with others like Fifth College. Even though Fifth College does also have like futsal court and fountain badminton court, but I personally feel that
I agree with you, because I think some of us is stay in different college before, like Eugene and Chong is stay in the Fifth College, and you is stay in College Chancellor. So the location brought different memories for us, and for me personally didn't visit the area of College Chancellor very often. So for me, I still prefer the Fifth College is the best location for this team, which is fun and lively, because it does bring me a lot of memories about others.
For me, I partially agree with Liu's opinions. Partially our opinions, because for the Chancellor College area, I think that only is more tends to more into to the sports parks, right, and recreation park. But for me, the facilities that provided at Fifth College is more comprehensive and more I think it's better in overall aspects, because not only for sports and recreation park, we also have the hall park at the hall that can provide and can help to organize the activities quite well with the because the hall is equipped with many facilities also, and the place is also actually quite wide. So I think that the facilities that provided at Fifth College is better and can help us to shows up the team of fun and lively here. So any other opinions?
I also more prefer the college. Fifth College is more suitable for this team, because as Danny mentioned just now, I stay here around 3 years, and then I think if you say Putra Food Court is the center for the student to exam, so I think K5 is the beside the center, so every student will pass by when they get down from the bus. So like the student from KDDI can see they when they come back by bus, they will pass through K5. So if any activity held in K5, they can join, and also they can visit our college activity. So I think K5 is more suitable for this team, which is fun and lively.
And I also have some different opinion from you, because I also feel that Fifth College is the suitable location fixed with our team 2, which is fun and lively. For example, if we compare with the area around the college chancellor, and the climbing wall there is open for some time. During the Putra Chancellor Carnival, it's no mistake. It's not open for the whole day, every day. And then if compare with the Putra food court, inside the fifth college also got a food store beside the kiosk one, and then maybe not much choices compared to Putra food court, but people who stay in fifth college also can visit there to have some choice of food, to having their lunch and dinner. And so I feel that fifth college may be suitable for this team 2, which is fun and lively.
As for me, I'm sorry guys, I'm partially agree and I'm partially disagree, because actually I'm in the different perspective, because when we describe about the fun and lively, actually it's give us the wider descriptions actually, because if we look through all of this place, it brings different things. That's what Tena tried to mention about the memorable things. And maybe some of you in the fifth college, as for me, I'm the sixth college before. So what I'm trying to say is, I think all of the college is fun and lively, but as for their own style, because as we know that everyone live in this university, that right, and they try to sit well. And as for the Putra food court, I think we can't make it same with our college, because we can't stay there, because it's in the food perspective, but this is for the living perspective, and maybe this is more what we can say more towards accommodations. But I want to add some information. Do you guys know about the QS ranking?
Yes.
You know about the QS ranking? Okay, what I want to mention is QS ranking is the criteria for us to rank our university.
Yeah.
And until now, we get around first and the second place. And how?
In Malaysia.
Yes, in
In
Malaysia.
Malaysia,
In Malaysia.
yes.
Okay, how we rank this university? First, among all of this criteria, they need to manage about the facilities, and all of the college need to, due to budget, all of the college need to choose either 2 out of 3 facilities. Either the college want to beautify their room, or their toilet, or their building itself. So I think fifth college more towards the room. No, I think it's the building and the toilet. Yes, the toilet. That's why if you look at all of the college, it's not the same. There is a ugly, sorry to say, there is a ugly or a nice toilet, but with a nice room and nice building. But there is a college with nice room, with a nice toilet, but not a building, because of that criteria. Because it's related to the budget, and right now government cutting the budget, so that's why every college need to concern about that. So
Okay. So I think based on the discussion just now, we can get a conclusion about the theme of fun and lively. Actually, maybe we tend to choose a residential college in UPM as a place that suits with the theme of fun and lively. So based on the discussion just now, I think that maybe the fifth college might be the place that match with the theme of the fun and lively. So actually, I think that each place got its own features and also characteristics that make us feel and fun and lively. So I think yeah, so we actually might be can work harder for next group, next session, can work further and harder to find the place that help us to know the characteristics of fun and lively. So that's all. I think that's all for the discussion today. Thank you and goodbye.